how to stop sharing call history between two Android devices. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can stop sharing call history between two Android devices. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you're facing such error or such issue in your device, it's likely because you are using the same Google account, cloud backup, or phone sync application. So here's how you can stop call lock sharing between the devices. The first option is to use a separate Google account. If both of their phones uses the same Google account, then your call logs may sync. For that, you have to go to the settings in your device, scroll down, search for an option as password and account. Then you have to scroll down a bit and select the account. And here tap on account sync, and here you have to turn off the option for the contacts. Turn off the option for the contacts, and once you have turned off the sync, the contact will no longer sync on your Google account. Again, if you want to turn off the Google backup of call history in your device, which will automatically stop the syncing of calls across devices, again you have to head towards the settings, then go to the Google. Make sure that you have your preferred account here at the top. If not, switch your account. Then you have to go to the backup. And once you go to the backup, make sure that you have turned off the call history backup from your backup into your Google account. So this is the second option. And in case if you're using other linked applications such as Truecaller or phone links, then you have to go to the application, open up settings, then turn off the call log sync or uninstall the application from one of your devices. And that will also stop the sharing call history between your Android devices. So these are some of the options that will help you fix to stop sharing call history between two Android devices. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.